Thank you, Mr. President. It's very interesting to know that we should all focus on positive energies. This brings today, just before I left, I was watching Commonwealth Games, and all of you must remember, must be remembering how the media was reporting before the event happened. 15 days back, if everybody read the newspapers or media, would have thought that this organizing committee has not done a good job at all, and they will bring shame to our country. But all of you must be proud to know that India is the country which has won the second largest gold medals, the first time in history, and that is what, instead of media focusing on negative things, if they had focused on the hard work put up by each and every participant from India and other countries, we would have been well off, all of us would have felt better. And I don't know what is the solution for this, but the only thing we can do is to focus on positive aspects, look at how people have become from nowhere, zero to heroes, most people have become. I was reading the article of one lady who was actually farmer's daughter. She was milking buffaloes and all that. She didn't have anything, no support from the family or government, but still she has won the gold. So given the mind and their work, it's not by fluke that most people have worked. They have won this because they have worked hard, have set up goals. And I am sure most of us are in a good company because each one of us has come to Toastmasters with specific goals and we are working towards it. We have a very conducive environment here where people are encouraged to take new roles and accomplish whatever they wish to. For the benefit of guests, a typical Toastmaster meeting is divided in 3 parts. The first part is prepared speeches, where people prepare their speeches and give them based on the guidance given by Toastmasters International. And the second part is where table topics, where you are thrown a topic by the table topic master and you have to expect it to talk for at least 1 to 2 minutes. And third one is the general evaluation. For today's meeting, we have General Evaluator, Madam Toastmaster Jayalakshmi. Can you please introduce your team?
Good evening, everyone. So, I am the G for today. So, to help me in my assignment, I have 2 assignees. So, I request my assignees to just tell their roles. So, today is Sergeant, not Sergeant. Our counter is Anand.
Good evening. My role is hall counter. Just I note down the R's and pauses while speaking the speakers till the end of the meeting and report the end of the meeting to general evaluation.
So, our counter is the grammarian is Venkatram.
Yeah, good evening. My role today is to identify any major flaws in the way people speak or any major words which they can, better words which people can use. So the word for today is eminence, meaning fame, honor, or repute. So today is India's honor to get 38 gold medals, not the history of the world today. So on the opposite side, they also got thrashed against Australia in hockey. That's it.
So, I request everyone to use the word.
This is one honor.
Thank you. And timer is Pramila.
Good evening everyone. I'll be timing all the speeches and table topics today. And for a 7-minute speech, right? For 5 minutes I'll be showing the green and 6 amber and for 7 it is red. Thank you.
And listener Vijay.
Good evening, I'm Jayalakshmi Rao. I'm learning the role of the listener today. At the end of the session, I'll be asking a few questions just to see the ability of listeners here. There will be probably somebody who will go up with the winner badge. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you. And I forgot to tell you, I will be evaluating the meeting from the beginning to end. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So like I said, now we are ready for the prepared speeches. I will request the evaluator of the first speaker who is doing his sixth speech to read the guidelines.
This speaker is attempting project number 6, which is the vocal variety. The main objectives of this topic are use voice volume, pitch, rate and quality to reflect and add meaning and interest to your message. Use pauses to enhance your message. Use vocal variety smoothly and naturally. Timer, please note, this is a 5 to 7 minute speech.
Thank you. The speaker who is doing his sixth project is a person who is committed, young, and he has actually opened our eyes to a lot of by various speeches, including the one and he showed the slides of people who are getting affected by the fluoride content in. And he has not only done a presentation, he has gone to the places and trying to help people who are suffering from fluoride. He is a committed Toastmaster. He is like a Tufan Express. He is doing his speeches very fast and is a good role model for us. I have done 1.5 years and done only 3 speeches, so you are a good role model for me. Please welcome Mr. Divakar Reddy for his